My office's latest scrutiny activity was a deep dive into the force's response, so Dyfed-Powys Police's response to illegal drugs within the Dyfed-Powys area. So that has come from the communities highlighting to me that this is one of their main concerns. So it's pleasing to see this piece of work being presented now, and I'm very grateful for the force and all the other partner agencies and the public who engaged with this piece of work. So I'm encouraged by the way Dyfed-Powys Police are responding to those involved in the trafficking of illegal drugs within the Dyfed-Powys area. We have seen a significant amount of proactivity by the force over the last few years, and that's in direct response to my police and crime plan that sets as a priority tackling those involved in the supply and distribution of, in particular, Class A drugs. So I'm very encouraged by this finding within the report. So our work has found that there are some issues in relation to the way which we signpost people into diversionary opportunities or into services in order to tackle substance misuse within the community. And this is one area that we'll be looking to try and address over the coming months in order that we can try and protect and safeguard the vulnerable within the community who do have issues or substance misuse issues that need to be addressed. So we need to maintain a focus on those involved in the supply and distribution of Class A drugs within the Dyfed-Powys area. But in order to, in effect, eradicate substance misuse within the communities, we need a multi-agency approach. And we need to ensure that all partner agencies involved in this activity come and work together. That might require us to consider new ways of working. So, for example, drug consumption rooms are used elsewhere across Western Europe, and these are opportunities for us to explore, in my opinion, here in Wales. But we also need to ensure that officers feel confident about signposting and referring people to the services, and that those services ultimately have capacity also to deal with people when they are referred. So I've written to the Chief Constable highlighting, in effect, the conclusions of the report and the scrutiny work that my office has undertaken. And I'm confident that the Chief Constable will be able to respond to those conclusions and recommendations that we have put forward to him. But I think it's also important that we share the report with partner agencies so that other key stakeholders and key individuals can take part in this important work that we've undertaken. I'm committed to continuing this work and this scrutiny work that we do as an office to ultimately shine a light on the issues that the public are most concerned about in the Dyfed-Powys area. I'm encouraging the public to engage with my office via social media on Facebook, Twitter, or by email, and also with the opportunities that arise through public consultations that we undertake through community engagement days or attendance at the Royal Welsh Show, the Pembrokeshire Show and other public events across the Dyfed-Powys area.